morning everyone. So let us start our class. So till question number 2 we have done. So now from question number question number 3. Okay. If the roots of the equation ax squared plus twice bx plus c is equal to 0 are imaginary. So it is given that the roots of this equation is what? Imaginary. Okay. Then prove that the roots of the equation ay square plus twice a plus by plus a plus twice b plus c equal to 0 are also imaginary. Okay, so for the first equation, roots are imaginary, it is given. And for the second equation, we have to prove that what? That the roots are imaginary. Okay. So, likhi lo sawal number 3. Number 3, given equation. Given equation. Ax square plus twice bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus twice bx plus c equal to 0. This is given. Okay. Now, nature of the roots kune diye? Nature of the roots. Yeah, ki koise nature of the roots ki hai? Roots of this equation are imaginary. And we know who gives the nature of the roots? Discriminant, right? So we will find the discriminant of this equation. Okay. So now, say d1 के लिए कारण हमें second equation और discriminant लिखेंगे तो d2 will लिखेंगे ठीक है सर. So now d1 will be equal to what? What was the formula for discriminant? Discriminant is equal to what? b square minus 4ac. Okay. So equation to की है general equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 or not, where a is not equal to 0. This is the standard form. So what? b square माने x और coefficient b square minus 4ac. This is the coefficient of x. So what is your b square? Twice b whole square. This is your b square. Minus 4. A is over here a only. 4a and c is also what? C. So it is equal to 4b square minus 4ac. Or you can say, if I take 4 common, b square minus ac. Now what is given? That the roots of this equation are what? Imaginary. Since roots are imaginary, so therefore d1 will be what? Less than 0. Therefore d1 will be less than 0, right? Discriminant over less than 0. That is 4b square minus ac will also be what? Less than 0. Done? Okay. So now what we have to find? We have to find for that equation whether the roots are imaginary or not. Okay. We have to show that the roots of that equation is also imaginary. Now for the equation, ay square plus twice a plus b, ay square plus twice a plus by plus a plus twice b plus c plus a plus twice b plus c. This should be equal to what? 0, right? This is equal to what? 0. So we have to show that the roots of this equation is what? Imaginary, right? This you can give as an equation 1. This will use. Okay. So over same thing, discriminant. To find the nature of the roots, we will use discriminant b square. What will be the b? Coefficient of y, right? So we can say this will become what? Twice a plus b whole square, right? This is b square minus 4. What is a? A is over here a. And what is c? A plus twice b plus c, which is equal to, this is 4 a plus b whole square minus 4 a square minus plus minus 4 to 8 ab minus plus minus 4 ac. 4 a square, 8 ab, 4 ac. This will become what? 4a square plus 4b square plus 2 is the 4 to the 8ab minus 4a square minus 8ab and minus 4ac. So break everything. Now 4a square minus 4a square cancel. Okay, 4a square minus 4a square cancel. Then plus 8ab minus 8ab cancel. What is remaining? 4b square and then minus 4ac, right? So if I take 4 common, this is what? B square minus AC. And we know that what? B4 B square minus AC is what? Less than 0. From what? From 1. From 1 we came to know that 4B square minus AC is less than 0. So this is also less than 0. 4B square minus AC. Thus we can say that what? B2 is also what? So we can say that what? That therefore B2 is what? Less than 0. So we can say that thus the roots are what? Thus the roots are imaginary. Or you can say thus the roots of the equation, you write the equation, thus the roots of this equation are, or in short, thus the roots are imaginary. Imaginary. Thus the roots are imaginary. Okay. Done. Next, question number 4. What is given in question number 4? Find the quadratic equation with real coefficient, one of whose roots is, so roots is given, okay, one of roots, in a quadratic equation, the degree is 2. So how many roots you will get? 2 roots, right? But one of the root is given, other one is not given. So remember, in quadratic equation, we will discuss all the nature of the roots and type of roots. Now simply remember this thing, that if one root is imaginary, then the other root is the conjugate of that root. যদি এটা root imaginary হয় তেতিয়া হলে যদি এটা root imaginary হয় তেতিয়া হলে second root to কি হবে will be conjugate হবে আগৰ root to কি হবে conjugate হবে okay this is the simple rule so say কোনটো question করো question number 4c I am going to do okay question number 4c this is 4 this is c so I can say let one root comma say I am considering as alpha be let alpha let one root comma not alpha is not taking alpha so let one root be minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. So now we know that if one root is imaginary, then the other root will be what? Conjugate of that root. So therefore the other root will be equal to what? Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. The conjugate of that one. So both the root we have got. Now what is the formula to find the quadratic equation? If we have the roots, the formula is what? The formula is x square minus sum of the root x plus product of the roots. Already in maths also I think in chapter polynomials are given. Only the case was what? Sum of the zeros. Zeros and roots is same thing, okay? So product of the roots is equal to what? 0. So this is the equation, this is the formula to find the quadratic equation when you will have the when you will have both the roots, okay? So at first we will find sum of the roots, okay? So now sum of the roots will be equal to what? Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 minus sum plus minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 minus I root 3 by 2 plus minus minus 1 by 2 plus I root 3 by 2. So this cancel, minus half and minus half will be what? Minus common, half plus half is what? 1, right? So minus half is what? Minus 1. So sum of the root is how much? Minus 1. Again, product of the roots. Product of the roots will be equal to what? Product of the roots. So multiply them. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 product, right? So minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. And we know that if anywhere you multiply a conjugate, যেতিয়া conjugate of multiply করিবা সদায় কি পাবা a square minus b square তো হবই হবে, ঠিক আছে? Okay, sum of the root is how much? Minus 1. Okay, remember this one. I have to remember this one. I am using it. Sum of the root কিমান হয়? কিমান পাবো? Minus 1. Now if I solve this one, it will be equal to 2 2 is 4. Always a square minus b square will take place whenever you are multiplying conjugates. So see, a minus b, a plus b. So you know what? A square minus b square, that is minus 1 square minus I root 3 square. It will become 1. I square hobo na, I square hobo ki minus 1 into plus hoye jabo plus 3 or 4 hai na. 4 by 4 is how much? 1. So product of the roots how much? Product of the root is also how much? 1. So now find the quadratic equation. Therefore the required quadratic equation is, therefore the required quadratic equation is, what is the formula? X square minus sum of the roots, right? You can write if you want sum of the roots x plus what? Product of the roots, okay, plus product of the roots, okay. Just a minute. Plus product of the roots, okay. Product of the what? Roots equal to what? 0. So put the value which implies x square minus sum of the root is what? Minus 1x plus 1 will be equal to what? 0. Minus minus plus, so x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is our required quadratic equation. Rest question number A, B and D exactly same process you can do by yourself, okay. So let us move then to the next question. That is what? Question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5 is important. Okay, this kind of question usually comes in the exam. So what is given? If x is equal to 3 plus I, then find the value of the expression x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square minus 16x plus 16. Now one thing is very clear. Directly you cannot put the value 3 plus I. Okay, directly put kore ki hobo? This will be very long. Okay, marks kiman debo? Hardly 3 marks maximum, tar ke beshi na hai. But if you directly x or value jodi 3 plus I bohai dia, 3 plus I whole to the power 4, it will be very long. It will consume your time. Your calculation might also get wrong. Okay, and at the last part you will not get the answer. So there is a shortcut to this kind of math. From this given x is equal to 3 plus I, ki dise x equal to 3 plus I hoy na, aro jetu expression diya ase etu kar expression hoy, x or expression hoy, means the variable is also what? X. Ki equation hoy beta? Fourth degree equation hoy, x to the power 4. So degree is what? 4, and if the degree is 4, so this equation will consist of how many roots? 4 roots, right? Quadratic equation of দুটা root থাকে, so এটো degree 4 আছে, তো কেটা roots থাকিব? 4টা roots থাকিব। আর roots কি হয়? roots বেলেগ কোন হয়? x এর ভ্যালু হয়। ভেরিয়েবল টুর ভ্যালুটুকে আমি কি বলি কম, যেনেকে x -2, 1 আমি आंसर পাব না। সো ভেরিয়েবল টুর ভ্যালুটুকে কি বলি কোৱা হয়? roots বুলি কোৱা হয়। তেতিয়াহলে ইয়াত ভেরিয়েবল x হয় আৰু x = 3 + i দিয়া আছে, তাৰ মানে x = যদি 3 + i দিয়া আছে, এটো কি হ'ব? এটা roots হয়, মানে এই ভ্যালুটোৱে কি হ'ব? স্যাটিসফাই কৰিব, মানে এই ইকুয়েশনটো কি হ'ব? স্যাটিসফাই কৰিব। সো আমাৰ প্ৰসেসটো কি হ'ব? যেটো গিভেন দিয়া আছে x = 3 + i, তাৰ পৰা আমি এটা কোয়াড্রেটিক ইকুয়েশন বনাম আৰু, ঠিক আছে? We have to make a quadratic equation, and there is also one condition while we make this quadratic equation, that equation should not contain imaginary number, okay? I থাকিব নালাগে, okay? Understood? Okay, we'll see this one, but remember the first effort we will make a quadratic equation. Then what we will do? We will divide this that one, dividend means x to the power 4, that equation, by this new equation, okay, that we will get. Then at last that same division algorithm we will apply and we will get the answer. So this is the step. First effort, okay, first step you write the given only 5 x is equal to 3 + i, okay. Question number 5, given x is equal to what? 3 + i. So from this we have to make a quadratic equation. Remember, I should not stay, okay. Now if I directly make quadratic equation, যদি আমি এটাকে করি squaring both side, x square equal to 3 + i whole square. So see over here what will happen? a square b square, no, b square i square goal, okay, I goal, but twice a bit কি হবো? I থাকি যাব। So you cannot do directly squaring both side, okay. So if we have to remove the I, then make sure I should be what? Single. X - 3 will be equal to what? I. Make sure the I is single, then only I will get what? Removed. Now squaring both sides. X - 3 whole square is equal to what? I square, okay. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So this will become what? X square minus 6x, 3 to the 6x plus 9. I square is what? -1, which implies x square minus 6x minus 1, this is plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. It should not contain any imaginary number, okay. Make sure that. Understood? Now what we will do? We will divide that equation by this quadratic equation, okay, that degree for fourth degree equation by this quadratic equation. That is our second step. Now remember this thing, okay, x square minus 6x plus 10 is how much? Remember this thing, x square minus 6x plus 10 is equal to how much? 0, okay. This thing, x square minus 6x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now we will divide that equation by this equation. So what is that equation? X to the power 4 minus 4x cube. Now x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square plus 4x square minus 16x plus 16 minus 16x plus 16. Remember, your remainder will be 0, okay. Why? Because this is what? This is a quadratic equation which came from what? Which came from the root. X equal to 3 + i is what? Is the root of this equation. So this will satisfy this equation. So your remainder will be 0. Always keep that in mind, okay. So divide this one by what? X square minus 6x plus what? 10. X square minus 6x plus 10. So at first x square x4 I have to give what? X square. This is x square minus 6x cube minus 6x cube plus 10x square plus 10x square. So this is plus, this is what? Minus. So this cancel. Sorry, this is x square x to the power of 4, okay. Ink is also I think so finished. X to the power what? 4. This cancelled. Minus 4 plus 6 is what? 2, right? 2x cube plus 4 minus 10 is what? Minus 6x square minus 16x plus 60. 2 is there, so plus 2x cube. So I have to give what? Twice x, right? So become 2x cube minus plus minus 6 to the 12x square plus 10 to the 20x minus plus minus cancel this one. Minus 6 plus 12 will be what? 6, right? 6x square minus 16 minus 20. This will become what? Minus 36x. And then what? Plus 60. 6 is there, so only 6. This will become 6x square minus plus minus 6 is 36x plus 10 is 60. This remainder has to be 0. Okay, has to be 0. So now what we can say, remember this thing, okay, x square minus 6x plus 10 is how much? This is 0. Okay. So now I can say what now? Is finished. Now our dividend equal to division algorithm apply. Dividend means x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 4x square minus 16x plus 60. Our dividend will be equal to what? Divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is what? Divisor is what? X square minus 6x plus 10 divisor into quotient. What is our quotient? Our quotient is what? X square plus twice x plus 6 plus remainder is what? 0. So which is equal to now what is the value of this divisor? Given on the 7, x square minus 6x plus 10 is what? Equal to 0. So 0 into what? X square plus twice x plus 6. You can write given. No need to write given. One thing you do, you consider that equation as 1. Okay. So you write over here from 1. From 1. Consider that equation as 1. So you write from 1, which will be equal to what? 0. So find the value. This was the question, right? Find the value of the expression. So what will be the value of this expression? 0. So this is the way to do. Okay. Whatever that one root will be given. See, question number 6 is also similar. One root is given. The value of that variable is given. Find a quadratic equation from that root. Okay. Then divide. Then apply division algorithm. Your answer will come what? 0. Okay. So done. Number 6 done. Number 5 done. Number 6 I couldn't done now right now, but ink is finished. So today we will stop here. Okay. Next class, what is that? 6. Question number 7 I will not do because question number 7 is same like question number in exercise 2.1 it is here. Okay. In exercise 2.1, question number 7 is similar to question number 8 of exercise 2.1. So question number 7 you can do by yourself. Similarly, question number 8 is similar to question number 8. Okay, not this. Is similar to question number 8 only of exercise 2.2. Question number 8 of exercise 2.5 is exactly not similar, is exactly same with question number 8 of exercise 2.2. So that one also you can do by yourself. Already done. We have already done in our previous classes. Okay. Question number 9 you can do very simple. Find the value of the following in a plus ib form. What will be the answer of the first one? 0 plus I root 3. 0 plus root I. 0 plus 1 root I. If you want to write like that, b will be 1. 0 plus I root 3. Sorry, 0 plus 3i. 3 and root over 9 is 3. 0 plus 3i. And then 0 plus I root 3 by 2. So this is the answer, number 9. So in next class, question number 6 I will do. Question number 10, 11 and 12 in next class we will complete complex number. Okay. So today we will stop here. That's all. Thank you.